blew up.
Oh really? Disney caught on fire today.
Look at us, we look like we're under the sea right now.
Yeah. Good morning guys, welcome to, what is it, day 4? Oh my god, how is it day 4? I'm starting this vlog under the sea. Also we're in Epcot, I forgot to mention that completely.
Did you not mention we're in Epcot?
I don't think I did. So now we're about to go on Nemo. This is so cute, we're in a little like clam shell. Oh, Nemo!
Mate. Fish are friends, not food. Delicious little friends.
Now we are going on the land ride.
Sure we are. I just remember going down the land ride. Maybe I'm wrong. Correct us if we're wrong. But you go there and they say, well, this is the land. This is wheat. And I don't know if it's real wheat or fake wheat, but it's like, who cares to look at wheat?
So he doesn't want to go on that ride.
Yeah.
But we were trying to find Soarin' because that's one of our favorite rides from California. It was Soarin' over California then though, but now it's Soarin' over the world. And I want to travel the world, so that should be pretty fun. I'm really excited. Oh my god, yes! Soarin' is one of the rides I've been looking forward to the most in this whole trip, so I'm really excited.
We're going with the land.
Look at all these people going to my dad's least favorite ride.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's worth it.
Update, so we rode Soarin' and it was really cool. I loved how there were scents for like Africa and India and stuff, but literally we ate and now we're just walking right on. Are you kidding?
Yeah, it's worth it.
It's a 25-minute wait now. We waited for an hour. How do you like this ride?
My favorite. I look like a Smurf. Smurf. Blueberry. I'm a blueberry, people.
We just finished Soarin' at ×2.
I ride Soarin' all day long.
Honestly, we could. I liked it better the second time because the first time I was really hangry.
It's like you fly over all these really cool spots and they pump in the smells in this place. It's like you're really there. It's really kind of a short ride, but it's really relaxing.
Now we're doing Imagination with Figment. I honestly don't even really know what Figment is. I don't think I've ever seen it. Tall friend. Fist bump? High five?
Yeah, you got it. Green,
Alright guys, I'm here with my sister. Hi. And my mom got here too. We are now going to like the world showcases to see all the different countries, and we're going to Frozen because we have a fast pass, and I'm so excited because I've always wanted to see the Frozen ride. So I believe we have to walk through Mexico first, and then we're in Norway, and that's where the Frozen ride is. Are you excited for Frozen?
Yeah.
Amanda, are you excited for Frozen?
So excited.
We are currently in Mexico. It's so beautiful in here, right Mom?
Yeah.
There's a bunch of cocoa stuff here. It's all at night. There's so many lights. You love Mexico, huh? She really loves Mexican food. So she's excited, right?
Yep.
You love this ride?
Yes.
Tell us why.
You'll see.
How's it going?
Fantastic.
We are currently eating at a restaurant in the Mexico Pavilion of Epcot. Here's my food. I just got chicken tacos, and I don't even know what they got. It was all in Spanish. What'd you get?
Chicken tacos.
Same thing as me. We're twins like that.
I know.
On a snowy summer day, you're going to the ice house. First time in forever, we get to share.
Hey, we're in China.
We are currently in Germany in a little bake shop and it smells so good.
Yes, and look what they have here in Germany. Werther's.
Right now we are in Italy and I've always wanted to go to Italy. That's probably maybe #1 on my travel list. I love Italy so much, so I'm so excited. Yeah, oh my God.
We like Italy. Hi, we're gonna see the fireworks.
We're about to see the fireworks. I don't know what to expect though. I don't know what the fireworks show is. Should be interesting.
Yeah, that was bad. That was bad. It blew up.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh no. At one point during illuminations, something caught on fire.
One of the barges with the fireworks on it. So it kind of killed all the fireworks that were on that barge. It just lit up and blew up their raft.
Disney caught on fire today. That's the story behind it, right?
Yeah, I did.
The fireworks didn't work. Now we're going to Japan. I'm so excited. Mexico and China have been the coolest so far. What are your 2 favorites?
Same here.
We made it to Japan. We're here in Japan. Look at what we're sitting by.
What do they call those buildings again? I forget.
I don't even know. I don't even know what it's called, but it looks really cool and it's really familiar and I really want a cool picture, but how do you get really cool pictures if this stuff is so big, you know? We're in a Japan store. Everything is so cute here.
It's anime and it's Pokemon with Pokemon and little kitty.
I'd love to go to Tokyo one day. I think that'd be really, really cool. Oh no!
Oh.
Are you kidding me?
This is probably the store. Is this where you meet her at?
You can meet Jasmine here and I'm not.
Yeah, you guys are here, I guess.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
She's like my favorite.
You want to meet Jasmine?
So we just got done in Paris. I know it's really cheesy, but I want to go there one day with my future love, you know, because it's the city of love. I don't understand why they don't have like an Eiffel Tower. It's just like a fake, like behind buildings. Why? We're in London, the hometown of Little Mix. They have like the Beatles and the Pink Floyd and stuff like that shirts, and I'm like, what about Little Mix? Are you kidding me? So we just did test track, and this is my hair now. So yeah, the ride was cool. I wish it went a little faster than it did and had more drops. What did you think of it?
It was good. The first part was like kind of weird, and then the car took off. I was like, wow, this is kind of what I was expecting.
I wasn't expecting the indoor part, but the outdoor part was cool. I like that.
The outdoor part was the best.
So we are leaving Epcot. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming.